So you want to make more money than 99% of people. Look, I'm not going to sit here and tell you some BS about manifesting wealth or just working harder at your 9 to 5, because that's not how you actually get rich. By the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what separates the top 1% from everyone else when it comes to making money. And the reason I know that this works is because I've done it myself and I've helped hundreds of other people do the same. If it's the first time we meet, my name is Fred and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, selling digital products, only working a few hours a day while traveling the world. Here's the thing you need to understand. If you really want to make more money than 99% of people and fast, you need to sell high ticket. I see so many beginners making this mistake. They think they're going to get rich selling $20 ebooks or $50 courses. Let me tell you this right now. That doesn't work unless you already have a massive audience or email list. And when you're just starting out, you don't have that. So then what happens? You spend months building a product, you launch it to your 300 followers, and you make like $200. Then you quit because you think it doesn't work. High ticket is where the real money is. I'm talking about offers that are priced at least $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 or more. Yeah, I'll be honest, it's more difficult to come up with a $5,000 than a $50 one. But here's the thing. You would only need to close 2 clients a month at $5,000 each to make $10,000 a month. Compare that to selling a $50 product where you'd need to make 200 sales to hit the same number. So in your opinion, which one sounds more realistic when you're starting with a small audience or no audience? Exactly. Now, don't start freaking out if you think there's nothing you could sell for that much money. Even if you don't know what you could sell for $2,000 to $5,000, anyone, and I mean honestly anyone, can create an online course that sells between $100 and $500. I've even seen people making a killing selling courses and monthly memberships on how to get better at League of Legends. You're not going to tell me that you have no interests, no passions, no knowledge of anything at all, are you? And even if that were the case, aren't you willing to use AI tools and books and videos and podcasts to learn something that could make you $10,000 a month or more? The beautiful thing about high ticket is that you can get on sales calls with people, build rapport, understand their specific problems, and close them one-on-one. You're not relying on some automated funnel to do the selling for you. You're having real conversations with real people and helping them to solve real problems. And when you solve big problems, you can charge big prices. That's just how it works. A higher price tag needs to reflect more value, a greater transformation. I mean, Toyota would be in a lot of trouble if they tried to charge as much as a Ferrari for a lame-ass car, wouldn't they? When you're first starting out, something smart you can do is getting free clients or doing work at a massive discount just to get testimonials and case studies. Now I know what you're thinking. Dude, you just told me to sell high ticket and now you're saying to work for free. Yeah, I am. Because it's the quickest way to build social proof and to make the big bucks if you don't feel confident in your offer yet. So here's what you do. You go out and you find 3 to 5 people who fit your ideal client profile and you offer to help them for free or at a heavily discounted rate in exchange for a detailed testimonial and a case study. And you give those people insane results. You over-deliver like crazy, document everything. Take screenshots, record video testimonials, track all the metrics, because this is your proof. This is what's going to allow you to charge high ticket prices moving forward because you can show potential clients exactly what you've done for others. By the way, if you want me to personally teach you how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, only working a few hours a day, I've made a free video that explains my 3-step process. It's the link in the description or pinned comment. For a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team, and we'll see what's blocking you from making more money. You might even get the chance to join my premium mentorship program, where I'm going to teach you my advanced strategies and hold you by the hand until you're making $10,000 a month or more. The link will be in the description below. The second thing you absolutely need to understand is this. Don't sell physical products, sell digital products instead. Physical products come with so many headaches. You've got inventory, shipping, returns, suppliers, quality control issues, and worst of all, terrible profit margins. You're lucky if you're keeping like 20% profit with physical products. Most of the time it's even less than that. Not to mention that to start a proper e-commerce brand, I'm not talking about some shitty dropshipping ripoff, you're going to need at least $100K in startup capital. And I know you don't have that. As sure as I didn't when I got started a few years ago. Now, what about digital products like online courses, coaching, consulting services? These are the most profitable business model on the planet. We're talking 90 to 98% profit margin. For me, it's around 96.13. When I sell a digital course for $1,000, I'm gonna keep what, 950 out of that. The only costs that I have are maybe some software subscriptions and payment processing fees. That's it. There's no inventory, no shipping, no dealing with supplies from China, nothing. And the best part about digital products is that you create them once and you can sell them for years to come. I literally have courses that I created 3 years ago and they're still generating sales every single month without me remaking them constantly. That's the power of digital products, especially online courses. You do the work one time and you get paid over and over again. Now compare that to a service where you have to trade your time for money every single time, or physical products where you have to constantly manage inventory and deal with all this nonsense. If you're serious about making more money than 99% of people, you need to get into digital products, period. Whether that's coaching, consulting, online courses, templates, software, whatever. Just make sure it solves a painful problem for your target market. That way you can charge a lot more, meaning you'll need a lot less customers to make $10,000 a month. Just a handful, really. Now, here's something that might be controversial, but honestly, I don't care. Don't focus on regular investing until you're at least earning $10,000 a month with your business. Look, I see so many people who are making $3,000 a month with their job or even with their business, trying to invest in stocks and crypto and real estate. That's backwards. You know how all the people who get rich quickly do it? Through a business, never through investing. Investing is for preserving wealth and growing it slowly over time. It's not for building wealth from scratch. If you put $1,000 into the stock market, you might get a 10% return in a year if you're lucky. That's $100. But if you take that same $1,000 and you invest it into your business, into ads, into software, into hiring help, into learning new skills, learning directly from a mentor you trust, you could turn that into $5,000 or $10,000. That's a 500 to a 1,000% return. Now, do you see the difference? When you're in the building phase, every single dollar should be going back into your business, not into your retirement account, not into index funds, into your business. Because your business is your best investment when you're starting out, when you haven't made at least $1 million. Once you're making $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 a month or more, then hell yeah, start investing some of that into more traditional assets. But until then, reinvest everything into the thing that's actually making you money. If you want to learn how I built a business that makes thousands of dollars a day in profit while working just a few hours a day and traveling the world, I made a free video breaking down my 3-step process. The link is in the description and pinned comment. And together, we'll see what's holding you back from making more money, and we'll give you a step-by-step game plan to start your business. You might even get the opportunity to join my premium mentorship program, where I'm gonna hold you by the hand, share everything with you step by step until you hit 10K per month consistently. So as soon as you're done watching this video, check that out in the description because spots fill up very fast. Here's the next truth you need to accept. If you want to make more money than 99% of people, you need to go the extra mile. You need to get up earlier, stay longer, do what no one else is willing to do. I'm talking from experience here. When I was in the early stages of building my business, I was waking up at 5 a.m. and working until the early evening. I was sacrificing going out with friends. I was saying no to parties and events. I was putting in the work while everyone else was sleeping or watching Netflix or scrolling through TikTok. And you know what? To be honest, some days it sucked. It was hard. There were days where I wanted to quit. But that's exactly why most people never make it. Look, everybody wants to be rich. Everybody wants financial freedom. Everybody wants to make thousands of dollars a day or take pictures in a private jet for Instagram. It's easy to want those things, but nobody's willing to do what it takes to actually get there. Dreaming is easy because anyone can do it, but actually doing the work, well, that's hard. That makes you uncomfortable and it's scary too, because you have to take risks. But that is what will make you more money than you ever dreamed of. Here's what I learned. The people who are willing to be uncomfortable, who are willing to sacrifice short-term pleasure for long-term success, those are the people who end up in the top 1%. You can't expect to work the same hours as everyone else, put in the same effort as everyone else, do the same things as everyone else, and somehow get different results. That's insane. If you want different results, you need to do different things. You need to outwork the competition. You need to be willing to do what they're not willing to do. I'm not saying you need to work yourself to death or never take any breaks, because that is not sustainable. I would know, believe me, I tried. But when you're in the building phase, When you're trying to go from 0 to $10,000 a month, you need to be obsessed. You need to be all in. You need to treat it like your life depends on it, because honestly, your future does depend on it. Another thing you need to do if you want to make more money than 99% of people is to track your numbers. I'm talking about money in, money out, conversions, etc. What gets measured gets improved, but the reverse is also true. This is literally so simple, but I see almost nobody doing it. And then they wonder why they can't make more money and scale. They're out here trying to build a business without even knowing their numbers. They don't know how many people they're reaching out to. They don't know their conversion rate on sales calls. They don't know how much profit they're actually making after expenses. They're literally just guessing. You can't improve what you don't measure. If you want to make more money, you need to know exactly where you are at right now. How much money are you making per month right now? How many leads are you currently generating? What's your conversion rate? How much are you spending on ads or tools? What's your profit margin? These aren't optional nice-to-have metrics. These are the foundation of building a successful business. I track everything in simple spreadsheets. Every sale, every expense, every lead, every sales call. And once a week, I review those numbers and I ask myself, what's working? What's not working? Where can I improve? This is how you scale. This is how you go from making $1,000 a month to $10,000 to $50,000 and beyond. Most people are too lazy to track their numbers in business. They think it's boring or unnecessary, and that's exactly why they can't make more than a few thousand a month. The top 1% of earners are obsessed with their numbers because they know that's how you optimize and grow. So start tracking today, right now. Open up a spreadsheet and start documenting everything. I promise you, in 3 months you'll look back and you will be amazed at how much more clarity you have around your business. Look, making more money than 99% of people isn't some mystery. It's not about luck or connections or being born into the right family. Otherwise, we'd all be screwed pretty much. It's about doing the things most people aren't willing to do. Selling high ticket, for example. Building proof through free clients first if you need to get the ball rolling. Focusing on digital products with high profit margins instead of falling for the trap of the shitty dropshipping or Amazon FBA. Reinvesting everything into your business instead of wasting it on traditional investing too early. Going the extra mile and outworking everyone else. Waking up early if you have to. And also tracking your numbers obsessively so you can improve constantly. Most people aren't willing to do these things, and that's exactly why they won't stay broke. But that's not my problem. At the end of the day, if you're not willing to do the fucking work, you don't deserve anything. So that's the formula. But here's the thing. Knowing the formula to success and actually executing on it are two completely different things. Most people are going to watch this video, nod their heads, and then do absolutely nothing with this information. Don't be one of those people. Start taking action today. You have to do the uncomfortable work, because I promise you, if you can actually stick to something consistently for the next 6 to 12 months, you'll be making more money than 99% of people. If you want me to teach you how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, only working a few hours a day while traveling the world, I've made a free video that explains my 3-step process. For a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team, and we'll see what's blocking you from making more money. Together, we'll come up with a step-by-step game plan for you to get started. And you might even get the opportunity to join my premium mentorship program, where I'm going to teach you my advanced strategies and hold you by the hand until you're making $10,000 a month or more. The link will be in the description. And with that said, I will see you on the other side.